Hello guys, this is Anvesh. Today I'm today I'm about to talk about the principal decision behind how we can construct a decision tree. So let's come into the point of it. How can we construct a decision tree? Say if we have a problem of let's take this is the example data that we got: short hair, short soft voice, and taller, which we can for an example, if he is a male that has all these three features. So for example, if you have a data of 6 entries that has uh, 3 males and 3 females, then how can we decide which factor to consider as our first factor to construct the addition tree? So the example that we have has an entropy of value equal to 1, because entropy is a measure of confusion, if you guys didn't know. So as we have in your input data, we have a lot of confusion, a equal confusion of, okay, if a new data comes, it could be a male or female. We didn't know that, so the entropy is maximum 1. So main the main principle behind the construction of a decision tree is to reduce the entropy at the end nodes, so that we can decide we have a specific corner of saying, okay, this is male, this is female, like that. So the main principle that is being used to construct this decision tree is information gain. So the information gain can be considered as, like, let's say if the parent has a lot of confused data saying 3 males and 3 females. For example, if the children, like if we take a factor, and if based upon that factor, let's take the factor of height. So by considering the height, you have your children saying taller and shorter. Okay, so all the taller has males, all the shorter has females. uh, this is just an example. Let's consider that, which means, so if the taller has all males, the data on the left side will be having the equal, so there is no confusion, so the entropy will be 0. The shorter is, let's say it will be female. So there is no confusion even on the right side, so it will be, so by considering this factor of height, we are basically dividing the whole data sets into a less confused decision. So which means by considering the height, we got a lot of gain. So the formula for the gain is, so what's the entropy of a parent here? So the entropy equal to 1, and the weighted average, which means right now the data that's going on left and right is the equal weight, so we can just ignore for that for a moment, because it's the average weight. And the entropy of the children is 0 0, so we got the 0 0 as the entropy of the children into weighted average. Basically we got this as 0. So the entropy of parent is 1, and the entropy of children's will be average weighted average of entropy of children's will be 0. So we got the maximum gain by considering the height, which basically this is the principle uh, that is being used to construct the decision tree, uh, by just considering, okay, which factor can tell me, can increase the gain, which factor can increase the gain. So that's how it picks the factors and basically constructs the whole decision tree. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you.